I am starting here with a simple test, just checking whether my Spring Boot application can connect to PostgreSQL using JDBC. There is no business logic here. This is purely a database connectivity issue. As soon as I run this test, it fails with this error. PostgreSQL is saying that Asia Calcutta is an invalid value for time zone parameter. PostgreSQL only accepts standard IANA time zone names such as UTC, Europe London, or Asia Kolkata. Asia Calcutta is a deprecated alias. Java still supports this for backward compatibility, but PostgreSQL does not recognize it. So the real question is not which time zone we want, but who is sending Asia Calcutta to PostgreSQL. The first thing I want to check is the database itself. I am connected to the PostgreSQL and running show time zone. The database time zone is UTC, which is perfectly valid. So the database is not misconfigured. Next, many developers try to fix this at the application level by setting this property in our application properties. Here, Hibernate is explicitly configured to use Asia Kolkata as time zone, which is the correct time zone for India. Let's try to run the test again. Even with this configuration in place, the test still fails. So this setting is not solving the problem. At this point, it's important to look at what this test is actually doing. The test uses JDBC template directly. There are no entities, no repositories, and no Hibernate logic involved. So the failure is happening before Hibernate even starts. Now let's check something that's easy to overlook. The JVM time zone itself. This line prints the default time zone of the Java process. Let's run this test. And here is the key detail. The JVM is running with Asia Calcutta. We never explicitly configured this. It's being picked up automatically. This is what's actually happening under the hood. When a JDBC connection is created, the PostgreSQL driver sets the session time zone using the JVM default. Because the JVM is using a legacy alias Asia Calcutta, PostgreSQL rejects it. That's why the connection fails before any SQL is executed. This issue appears most often on Windows. Windows reports the time zone as India Standard Time, and Java maps that to the legacy alias Asia Calcutta. Java keeps this alias for backward compatibility. PostgreSQL, on the other hand, only accepts valid IANA time zone names. You will often see this property suggested online. This controls how Hibernate handles time zones. It does not control how JDBC establishes a database connection. By the time Hibernate runs, the connection has already failed. Let's remove this configuration. Another option is to pass the JVM time zone explicitly when running tests or the Spring Boot application. You can pass it as options here. This works, But you need to remember to set it everywhere. Your unit tests, apps, CI pipelines. The cleanest solution is to force the JVM time zone globally. Java tool options applies to every Java process. Unit tests, Spring Boot apps, Maven, everything. Running this command in PowerShell sets it as a variable in system environment properties. After setting this, we need to restart our IDE to pick up the latest environment variables. Let's now check the time zone of JVM. Now the JVM reports Asia Calcutta, which Postgres fully supports. Let's now run the database connectivity test. With the JVM time zone corrected, the database connection succeeds now. The key takeaway is simple. PostgreSQL didn't break, Java sent the wrong time zone. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.